the penguins are I play this all and I have skills. I ever not play this. Sometimes I this is annoying. Oh, but I'm so dead. Oh, I forgot this. Oh.
There's literally nothing to admit. You guys are just overthinking it.
Oh my god.
You guys are definitely just creating these crazy accusations.
You literally punched Jared off the side of the train because he said he was gonna hit Ashley.
Well, that was because I don't got a good excuse for that. I'm gonna throw you off the map though. You don't mind? Well, I don't know, dude. You put me in a tough situation. You're asking me really hard questions. I don't But Jared, wait.
Wait, I forgot.
Okay, my girl Ashley right here. Fucking crazy. Why you guys don't yo Nacho, bro? Go on Ashley. Yeah, Nacho, get safe.
Let's go.
Get the green one, Nacho. Come on, boy. Come on. No, never mind.
Let's go the tower. Oh my god.
Real peaceful right now. You gotta go, buddy.
Yeah, I think that's I'm here now.
Oh my god, I'm so busy bear. I am so the most gorgeous one of all time.
So this is how it's gonna work. Basically, I'm gonna be running, and you two are gonna start attacking. The person who attacks me the most of the time is my girlfriend.
Oh my god, it's always this.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, you guys have to come over here against the wall and count like 20 seconds, and I'll start running away.
Well, Ashley's it though.
But no, all you have to do is push me, Emma. It doesn't matter if it's really it or not.
Okay.
Okay, is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can start counting, guys. Start counting up to 20.
26,
The
What?
tower.
28,
Are you You guys are not on the same team. It's whoever catches me 3 times first that will hold you.
Not good together.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I've been practicing my game, brother.
I think you got one like that one.
Wait,
No, I don't hang out anywhere with you guys. Hey, get away. Ow. Oh my god.
let's look at here.
Oh, chill. He's going this way.
I was
Oh, no.
oh wait.
It's over. Give it. If anyone,
Order nyo. Ang bagyo. Ay, di kasha. Ito, kasha. Kasha para sa kada ang kada. Sweet of summer with kada.
oh my god, I was glitched. See you guys later. Oh my god, you guys are literally right behind me, bro.
Oh, you better come back here, Teddy. Come on.
You guys got that?